I'm gonna throw confetti everywhere. Yay! I'm gonna have to clean that up later. GoPro Hero 6 Black! Yes! What's going on, guys? Guess where we are today? That's right, we're back in the bike room in Japan. Finally back from our Taiwan trip, and actually I'm the only one back from the Taiwan trip. Tuong's back in Vietnam right now, and we actually just started releasing our Taiwan videos, so hope you guys are enjoying those. There's a lot of videos that we need to go through. It's gonna take me a while to get through them, but I'm hoping to get at least 1 or 2 up every week. I was debating back and forth whether I should upload videos now because it might be confusing with the timeline, but there's just so many Taiwan videos to go through and I kind of want to stay up to date as well. So we're gonna be doing sort of 2 parallel lines at the same time, the Taiwan trip, and you can just follow the playlist there, and then the timeline since we get back in Japan. So sorry if that's confusing, but I don't really know any other good way. We also have the chronological order playlist, so if you want to watch all of our videos in chronological order, you can go check out that playlist and that should be less confusing. Anyway, good news today. Aside from being back in Japan, being back home, being back with my beautiful bikes, of course I enjoyed all the rental bikes in Taiwan, but nothing quite feels the same as riding your own bike. Upon arriving back here in Japan, I had a special package waiting for me. Some of you guys may know about this already. I posted this on Instagram recently. So what do you think's inside? Just kidding, you probably know. This is a GoPro Hero 6, I hope. Anyway, we're gonna be opening this today, but before we do an unboxing of this, I wanna go for a quick ride and get a nice ride in today. Today's steed, we're gonna be riding with Suika-chan. If you haven't watched our introduction video where we introduce all of our bikes, this is Suika-chan, my cyclocross bike, which is set up with road tires. I haven't ridden this bike in over a year, so I'm very excited to ride this. Actually, a fan pointed out on my road bike I had a crank bolt missing, and I tried moving the crank and it was actually shaking, so I'm actually really scared to ride my road bike. I haven't changed many of the parts on there in a long time, the chain especially. And yeah, I put my mechanic skills to use for the first time in forever and got my cross bike in working order. We're gonna go for a quick little ride. I'm not gonna film too much because I wanna hurry up and get back here and do the unboxing for the GoPro. Anyway, I'm gonna go for a quick ride. I'll show you guys a little bit maybe here and we'll meet back here in the bike room. All right, let's get going. Successful first ride back with Suika-chan. We're gonna move Suika-chan over to the main bike position. For quick, easy access, it's gonna be my main, I have a feeling that's gonna be my main bike from now on, just because Kuroken, my black specialized road bike, needs a lot of work and don't really want to deal with it anytime soon. Also, cross season is coming up soon and I'm still thinking about participating in a few races. Check this bottle out, by the way, this is pretty cool. We got this from our Taiwan cycling trip from the Hualien store in Taiwan. Pretty cool, eh? Also, it feels great to be on a bike my size. Everything on this bike is still super smooth, still super new. I think I've only ridden this bike maybe less than 20 times. And just feels really good to be on a newish bike in comparison to my black Specialized, which is just, I rode it yesterday, the chain fell off while I was climbing a steep climbing. It just needs a lot of work, so feels great to be back on a nice, solid, reliable bike. Anyway, the moment that you guys have all been waiting for. So yes, as the title says, and as the picture probably shows, I won a GoPro Hero 6. We'll talk about that more in a second. Let's first open this box up. I'm really sweaty though, so first I'm gonna change. So quick box magic. And we're back. Let's go ahead and open this. I know you guys have been waiting to see this, so I'm really excited about this. I got the message for this actually before we headed to Taiwan over 2 weeks ago, and so we had to wait, unfortunately, until the end of the trip to open this bad boy. Ooh, looks like we got a nice little private message in here, as well as some colorful styrofoam. What is it? Oh wow, these are these are heart-shaped. These are so cute. Japan is all about cuteness. White, blue, and green cute heart wrap. As well as, this is a letter. So, Two-Wheel Cruise Sama. I'm not sure if I'm gonna read this out loud, but let's see. Alright, so the backstory of how I won this GoPro, probably a lot of you guys are new subscribers since I made the video, but a few months ago, I met with some local YouTubers here in the Nagoya area. So Victor, Give Me a Break Man, and Tomoko. They're both pretty popular YouTubers here in the Nagoya area. I've been big fans of theirs for a long time, over 6 or 7 years. And there was this awesome campaign going on, which was run by the Ichibanken ramen group. So this is their logo right here. They're a ramen chain based out of here in Nagoya, and they were running a YouTube campaign so YouTubers could go eat for free. And it was pretty ridiculous. It wasn't just all you can eat for free, all you can eat ramen. They had a whole bunch of other stuff on their menu as well. Really good food. And also it was all you can drink for free. It was really awesome. So we decided to go out, have a big Nagoya YouTuber bash party and go there. One other Japanese YouTuber was supposed to go with us. His name is Sango8 TV or 358 TV. He makes cycling videos and he also makes like ridiculous eating videos. He eats like a ridiculous amount of food. He was supposed to join with us, and actually because of his video I found out about this promotion that you could eat for free, and that was part 1 of the promotion. So part 2 was if you made a video and you tagged the restaurant about your experience, you could be entered to win a GoPro Hero 6. And they were raffling off 3, and we were and our channel was one of the ones chosen, so yay! I'm gonna throw confetti everywhere. Yay! I'm gonna have to clean that up later. And what else did they give me? So here we go. Here's some more information about the Ichibanken group. If you haven't watched the video yet, go ahead and I'll link it up here so you can go watch it. It's pretty fun. We had a lot of fun with Victor, Tomoko, and Victor's family, and my wife and I. Great food, great times, and we're definitely gonna go back there sometime because that was some of the best ramen I've had here in the Nagoya area, and I'm not just saying that because they gave me a GoPro. It was legitimately really good. Alright, onto the GoPro. Let's get rid of all this heart styrofoams. The moment of truth. There's still a lot of styrofoam in here. That's good though, nice and protected. One more layer of protection. Oh yeah! GoPro Hero 6, let's get this one last plastic piece off. GoPro Hero 6 Black! Yes! I cannot tell you like how excited I am for... So GoPro is kind of like the standard go-to action camera, and it's actually the first camera I used when starting this channel. The first camera I bought is this GoPro Hero 4 Silver, and it's alright. Pretty much all of the riding footage that you see on this channel, at least wide angle, is done from this camera. The rest is done from my Canon G7X Mark II, which I'm using right now. And it does alright, it gets the job done, but there's certain things on here that I really wanted to improve, and one of course is higher frame rate. Another of course is shooting 4K. I'm hoping to edit 4K soon on this channel, but my computer right now would die if I put any 4K video on there. Also, my current main camera doesn't shoot 4K, so... And 4K cameras are also really expensive, and computers that can edit 4K video are also really expensive, so it's been something I haven't been able to afford on my own. And this camera starts at $500, so it's a pretty serious camera. It can shoot 4K 60 frames per second. It can shoot 1080p, ridiculous. I think it does 240 frames per second or something like that. And currently I'm only getting 60 frames per second in 1080p on my Hero 4 Silver, so that alone is a huge upgrade. I've heard the image stabilization on this is also really good. I'm excited to test it out. We're not going to do that in today's video just because I don't have time and I need to edit all of my Taiwan videos. But I wanted to share this good news with you guys, and anyway, we'll talk about this more when I do an unboxing and test it out for the first time. A big thank you to the Ichibanken ramen group here in Nagoya for doing this YouTube promotion, for giving us some awesome food, and also for selecting my video out of all of the hundreds of people that entered in here, all of the Japanese people that entered. Thank you for choosing me, thank you for running this promotion, and also thank you for feeding us with some awesome food. Really appreciated. Yeah, really excited. This is like the biggest thing I've ever won. Yeah, this is totally awesome. So thank you. We'll use this a lot. So on to some other news on this channel. I did just arrive back in Japan about 2 days ago, and I'm doing my best to try and get all of these Taiwan videos out to you guys. I didn't have any time to edit on the trip, but now that I've sort of had this good luck with winning this GoPro, I thought now is kind of a good time to sort of pay it forward. And I've been wanting to do a kind of like giveaway on this channel, but I didn't really have any good ideas. It's like, what should we give away? Like t-shirts or something, and like at what moment should we sort of celebrate? And I think we're getting to a pretty good point. We're at about 8,000 subscribers right now, and my goal for this year is 10,000. That was my goal way back when we had only 1,000 at the beginning of this year, and at that time it just seemed like really unachievable, and now we've just suddenly grown to 8,000 subscribers, and we've also grown to a decent number of supporters on Patreon who are helping us out directly. And we started an early access video thing, so if you're interested in helping support us out there, we have early access there on videos with no advertisements for the first few days before we make them public. So if you're interested, you can go check that out. Anyway, as to our giveaway, I'm thinking we're gonna do something really soon. But before we do that, I need to finish getting some of the product ready. So I do want to do some merch, kind of like the t-shirts we're wearing right now. So the 2 Cruise t-shirts. We've got some of these. We've got the Taiyaki t-shirts. And I want to do some other smaller gifts as well so that we can include more people in the giveaway. Things like stickers and some of our like cards and stuff like that. But the thing is, I haven't made those yet. So this is kind of on hold until we finish those. I'm not sure how we're gonna run it yet, but I've never done anything like this. This is my first giveaway, so if you follow any other YouTubers, you have any good ideas on how to do the giveaway or any other ideas of prizes that you'd like to receive, let me know your ideas down in the comments, and we will be doing the giveaway soon. I'm going to work on getting those stickers done so we can get those in. Once those arrive, we'll do the giveaway. Anyway, I don't want this video to go on too long. We're gonna stop here. Very excited for this new camera. So I'm thinking to start a new style of video where I use mostly the GoPro, and instead of just like going cycling to one main destination, we'll be talking about sort of a subject. For example, like studying Japanese, or like cycling in Taiwan versus cycling in Japan. I'm a YouTuber now, kind of, but I sort of hate just talking directly in front of the camera without it moving right now. Like, these videos are really awkward for me to make, and I like talking while cycling. So I figured I can use this camera. The quality should be really good. The image stabilization should be really good. And I'm hoping to do some sort of ride and talks. Maybe cycle in a nice area, and while we're cycling there, I'll talk about some subject. And those videos will be a bit easier for me to make. And you guys should be able to see some nice scenery while we're riding, and also hopefully learn something interesting while we're doing this. So hope you guys like that. I'm going to be experimenting with that soon once I get this open and buy some. I need to buy some extra battery packs for this and test out some microphone setups with this. But anyway, exciting new things, exciting new styles on the way. In the meantime, we'll be uploading a lot of Taiwan videos. There's a lot of Taiwan videos to come out. Anyway, thanks again for all the support so far. We're at about 8,000 subscribers now, so that's another pretty big moment for us. Thanks again, and we'll be doing our giveaway soon. Make sure to leave your ideas down below in the comments, and we'll see you next time here on 2 Cruise.